In the chaotic world of software development, one tool reigns supreme: Jira. Let's dive into how developers use Jira to conquer projects, one task at a time. First, create a ticket. Imagine finding a bug or needing a new feature. Click Create, provide a descriptive title like Fix Button Alignment Issue, and fill in the details: what it is, where it is, and what the expected outcome should be. Populate the crucial fields: the project it belongs to, the severity of the issue using priority selection. Set the assignee field to your own name and provide an estimation of the time to complete the task. Then hit Create. Congratulations, you have your first Jira ticket. Now, working on those tickets, drag the assigned items to the In Progress column. As you code, add comments to share progress and record your actual time spent. Jira is all about teamwork. Use the comment section to collaborate. Ask questions, share updates, and tag colleagues. Want an overview of your work? The dashboard gives a visual representation, tracking current and upcoming tasks. Communicate, and your team can conquer any project. Master Jira, and you will be on your way to software development success.